As the temperatures start to drop, it's the perfect time to inspect your roof before the winter sets in. A well-maintained roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements, and catching any issues now can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Let's talk about why it's important, how to do it safely, and what to look for. First things first, why inspect your roof? Your roof takes a beating all year long, from heavy rains to high winds, and now the coming snow and ice. Any damage like missing shingles, cracks, or leaks can lead to water infiltration, which can cause serious issues inside your home, including mold, mildew, and even structural damage. A quick inspection now can help you avoid costly repairs later. If you're not comfortable getting up on your roof, no problem. You can start with a ground level inspection using binoculars. Look for obvious signs of damage like missing or curling shingles, sagging areas, or any debris that might have accumulated. Pay close attention to the edges and the areas around chimneys, vents, and skylights, as these are common spots for leaks. If you do need to get up on your roof, safety is absolutely crucial. Make sure you're using a sturdy, well-placed ladder on a flat surface. Always have someone spot you, and if possible, wear a safety harness that's securely anchored. Remember, it's better to be cautious. If you're unsure about anything, consider hiring a professional or asking someone for help. Once you're up there, take your time and be mindful of where you step. Walk along the areas where the roof feels most solid, typically close to the edges where there's more support. Avoid stepping on soft spots or areas that feel spongy, as this could indicate underlying damage. Check the condition of the shingles. Look for any that are missing, cracked, or curling. These need to be replaced as soon as possible to prevent water from getting underneath them. Also check for any loose or exposed nails, which can let water in and cause leaks. Next, inspect the flashing around your chimneys, vents, and skylights. Make sure the flashing is secure and in good condition. If it's not, it's a good idea to repair or replace it before the winter weather hits. After you've inspected your roof, carefully make your way down the ladder. If you've found any issues, it's best to address them now while the weather is still mild. A little maintenance can go a long way in preventing bigger problems once the winter arrives. Inspecting your roof before the temperature drops is all about being proactive. By taking the time to do it safely and thoroughly, you're helping to ensure your home stays dry and protected all winter long. If you want to learn more about home maintenance, check out my Handy Homeowner online course. Stay safe, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next video.